Hi everybody, welcome back to the AI Masterclass for Training Business CEOs. This is part 2.8, Accelerating Learning Content Development, and this is going to be on generating images. My name is Dario Priolo, and I'm your instructor for this module. So think about what we've done so far in this masterclass. We've created a course for a real estate school in Florida. It's been on foreign real estate ownership restrictions. And we've covered off on these first 7 items. We've created learning objectives. We created a title, an outline, learning activities, scripts, assessment questions, and coaching guide. It's been unbelievable what we've been able to do so far and how fast and efficient it is. And quite frankly, the quality is quite good. Now we're going to talk about generating images. And generating images is often a problem when you're creating e-learning because, sometimes you're buying, licensed images and they can be really expensive. Sometimes you're finding royalty-free images, but those images are just either overused, you see them everywhere, or they don't quite fit what you need. So we're going to look at a brand new image generation tool. It's ChatGPT 4.0, and it's unbelievable what it can do in terms of image generation. So I will give you a couple of sort of pearls of wisdom here. We'll go through here, and you can see we've got a prompt creating an image of a family on vacation in an Airbnb in Florida. I mean, we can do something like that. But let's just exit out of here for a second, and I'm going to take you to ChatGPT. And what I've done here is I've actually, just in the interest of time and because images can take a little while to generate, I've gone and kind of done some pre-prompting here. But first of all, you want to find this ChatGPT 4.0. And you can just find it here from the drop down where you can find it. And then if you look at what I've done here is I've just asked it, explain the image generation capabilities of ChatGPT 4.0. And you can start to see here what it can do. Key features, text to image conversion. So users can put in detailed contextual generate descriptions to generate corresponding images. This includes specific scenarios, objects, characters, and artistic style. Then you have customization options. Options for customizing image size, so square, wide, or full body portraits, and quantity. Default is 2 images. Iterative refinement, so users can provide feedback and refine images, ensuring the final output meets their expectations. And then support for different image styles, ability to emulate various artistic styles, movements, eras, as long as they are not recently copyrighted. So those are key features. Again, sample usages here, how to use them. And then benefits, enhanced creativity, efficiency, versatility. So again, just incredible power here. I'm going to demonstrate in a minute. You can see here that, I put in this prompt, I'm creating a course on foreign real estate ownership law in Florida, create some potential images I can use in my course. And you can see here, first one here is a map of Florida highlighting key real estate markets. There may be foreign buyer demographics, legal process for foreign buyers, property types, common legal documents, tax implications, ownership structures, financing options. So think about the outline that we created, and you can basically create images to align with every single piece of that outline and be really dialed into it. So here you can see here I said now start to create the images for me. So this is like the map of the major real estate markets in Florida, which is really cool. You can click on here and it drills into it, and you can get a sense. Now some of the language here, the text is gibberish, but this is just for illustrative purposes, and I think for the purpose of just kind of building out an e-learning module. It's not a geography test, so this is useful. Here you can see here this is an infographic on foreign real estate buyers. Again, this may or may not be useful. This is some process. Then you get into things like property types. So this is kind of interesting here, where we've asked it to create some images of different property types in Florida. But here, let's do this here. Let's take the property type, and what we'll do here, I want an image of a beach front in Florida, and then we can say something like the image should be, let's go square, and use, let's go, blue tones with orange accents. So you may have like a particular color palette that you want to use, and And what's great about ChatGPT and this new capability is that it can take all that information and provide you, exactly what you need in the exact color scheme that you want. So here it is. It's cranking away, and boom! Isn't that incredible? So here's an image of a beachfront condo in Florida featuring blue tones and orange accents. You can then download that image. You can see it comes here in your downloads, and now you can start to use that image in your e-learning. The other thing that you can do too is you can just kind of come here and you can take a screenshot of it. I do this quite a bit, just a little bit simpler, and now you've got a screenshot of that condo, and you can use it in your e-learning module. I mean, it's just really incredible what you can do. All the images now that you ever need are here, and they're very inexpensive and practically free, and it's just really something that you should take advantage of. So hopefully you found that useful. In the next module, we'll be on creating slide decks for VILT. This is going to be interesting. We're going to use PowerPoint. We're going to use Copilot to help us with this. It's not quite perfect, but you'll see it. I hope you join us for it. It's going to be still very enlightening, and thanks so much for joining us for this module, and we'll see you in the next module. Thank you.